Hi, my name is Poonam and today my topic is software failure. Most IT experts agree that software failures occurs far more often than they should, despite the fact that for the most part they are predictable and avoidable. It is unfortunate that most organizations don't see preventing failure as an urgent matter, even though that view risk harming the organization and maybe even destroy it. Because software failure has tremendous implications for business and society, it is important to understand why this attitude persists. Why do so many IT projects fail? It is a fact of life that as many as 80 to 90% of IT projects run over budget and are terminated rashly. And even those that react some sort of completion often fall far short of meeting user expectations and business performance. Surveys have shown that Standish Group's research 2009 found only 32% projects succeed by deliver on time and budget. 44 projects are late, over budget, and over less than the required features and functions, and 24% projects are fails. System failure occurs when the delivered service no longer complies with the specifications and later being an agreed description of the system's expected function or service. This definition applies to both hardware and software system failures. Faults or bugs in hardware or a software components cause errors. An error is defined by Lepre et al. As that part of the system which is liable to lead to subsequent failure, and an error affecting the service is an indication that a failure has occurred. If the system comprises of multiple components, errors can lead to a component failure. There are many other important reasons for system failures like poor planning, lack of preparation, business misfit, unilateral decision making, inflexibility, scope creep, no executive sponsorship, no customer involvement, and inadequate testing, which cannot be ignored, otherwise, will lead to system failure. But each of software failure could easily have been avoided. Mm, we can avoid it through an effective quality management strategy, identifying and resolving potential problems before they appear. How do you avoid failure in a software implementation projects? Uh, there is 5 ways to avoid system failures. Like first of all, very important point is proper preparation. One of the most obvious reason a project fails is poor planning at the outset. Managers who fail to proper scope a project simply risk management principles and plan in time for quality assurance and security assurance are causing ruin. Second one is business fit. If a technology or a process doesn't fit with the business needs or sync with the way the organization operates, the project has the potential to be a waste of money. Third one is decision making. When IT fails to involve business leaders while planning new initiatives that affect business operators, the technology departments risk a business misfit. Fourth one is scope creep. Scope creep is lack of preparation, typically budgets the kitchen sink syndrome, where project leaders add in every kind of features and the kitchen sink to boot. And the last one is flexibility. Unfortunately, some IT projects can be so rigid that they fail to allow the business to change processes or adjust to new situations quickly enough to profit from them. This inflexibility is a project killer.